Day 5 is done.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Kenneth and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about one of my new playlists that I did last week, and it's going to be a new challenge for this week. So for this week, I tried drinking a gallon of water for 5 days. Yep, 5 days. And to put things into perspective, so study shows that we should drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. So drinking a gallon makes it about 16 glasses of water a day. That's a lot of water.
I'm raining in here, and I don't have any Mountain Dew!
So before I take you guys to my experience, let's go over some water facts. So water fact number 1. So your body is composed of 60% water, and you won't survive without water more than a couple of days. So yeah, drink some water. Water fact number 2. Studies published by the Wound Repair and Regeneration Committee says that drinking water improves skin elasticity, improves blood circulation, and keeps your mind active. So enough with the water facts, and I'll take you guys with my experience with day 1. Here it is.
Good morning, guys. It's golden hour, early in the morning, Monday, and I haven't drank yet. About to drink for the first time today, and yeah, guys, this is a lot of water. Day 1, here we go. So I'm currently here at the office, and no one's here yet. But one thing I want to address is, like, I'm not gonna change my diet or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you guys the effects on your body or your mood once you finish a gallon of water a day. Update, guys, it's lunchtime, and yeah, I'm a little over halfway, as you guys can see. So yeah, I think about 12 o'clock I'll be halfway finishing it. So time check, guys, it's 5:30. I just got done with my cardio, and I probably got a 1/6 of a gallon left. And yeah, finishing strong today, first day. I'm back here in the house. It's been an hour since I've worked out, and now I'm just finishing my school paper. And yeah, I think it's about to be done in about maybe an hour or so. I haven't had dinner yet. And there it is. First day is done. Good morning, guys. Time check, 6 a.m. Start day 2. Let's start strong. Here we go. Check it, 6:30. And same thing, 1/6 of a gallon left. So doing pretty good for the second day. I just got done with the 5K. And it was some good training today. Good training. Starting off day 3. So guys, it's approaching golden hour, and my dad is right there stretching out. He's about 73 years old, so no excuses, guys. And water update, almost done. I think it gets a little bit easier now, 3rd day. So, and good morning, day 4, here we go. Let's kill it. Time check, 4:30 in the afternoon, about 1/3 of a gallon left, about to go work out. Day 4 going strong so far. Hey Mom, I think you should try to drink a gallon a day too. Next week?
Sure. I'll start tomorrow. Not next week, tomorrow.
Alright, let's give it a try. We are now starting day 5 of the gallon a day water challenge. So yeah, let's finish this day strong. Last day, here we go.
5 days, I know it gets repetitive, it gets boring. I get it. And I'll tell you guys the pros and cons of doing this for 5 days. Well, first, I feel more productive. I felt like I have a clearer mind, and I felt so much energy. I felt like I could do so much in a day. I woke up at 6 a.m. and pretty much slept around 11 p.m. and all throughout the day I just felt like a burst of energy just from water. Secondly, I ate less. It's simply because I felt a lot fuller from drinking all those liquids. It's a gallon of water, so it's a lot of water. Thirdly, having an active lifestyle, so I go to the gym like maybe 5 to 6 times a week, and it keeps me constantly hydrated throughout the day. I didn't get tired. I never cramped up while I was working out or while I was running. And yeah, it felt like you felt a lot better during your workouts, before your workouts and after your workouts. It's crazy how water does that to your body. Fourth, living here in Florida where it's hot and humid, and water helped me regulate my body temperature. So I didn't lose weight, I didn't gain any weight, my mood is a lot better, and yeah, it just kept me hydrated all day. And for the cons, I could only really think of one, yeah, and that is you unfortunately have to pee maybe every 20 to 30 minutes, and you might lose some quality sleep because you might get up in the middle of the night and have a trip to the toilet because you have to drink water throughout the day. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys learned something today. Hit that like button and comment down below for suggestions for my next challenge. I'm excited to see it. I read the comments down below. And please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye. Water fact number 2. Studies showed by wound repair and regeneration. Water fact number 2. Water fact number 2. Studies showed by the wound and repair regeneration study that drinking
Talking is driving me insane. Hello.